Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we will need to find which canned drink has a higher percentage of sugar. So of course we will need to find the percentage of sugar for each canned drink. So the very first thing here would be I would actually want to find the total mass. So for the canned drink, 39 plus 140, 179. And for canned drink B, 183. Once I have that, I will be able to find. And so from here, we'll be able to get, first of all, for can A, sugar 39. So the percentage of sugar for canned drink A will be equals to 39 over the total will be 179 times 100%. This will give me a value of 21.788% to 5 SF followed by 21.8% to 3 SF. And now I am going to move on to try and find the percentage of sugar for B. Here, I will have 33 over the total 183. 33 over total 183 times 100%. And let's see what percentage will this give me. 18.033% to 5 SF followed by 18.0% to 3 SF. And with these two values, I would then be able to get the conclusion at the side, comparing the two. So which drink has a higher percentage of sugar? The final answer would be drink A. With that, we have come to the end of this part of the question. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.